Hi guys, hi, hello, it's Nash, how's it going? And we're having a tour. These guys are so awesome, and here we're going to get a haircut. It's going to be great. They got to shape up my face and everything. He's gonna be my barber. How's it going? So he's gonna trim me up when we get a mug.
That's right, that's right.
So tell him your name and what you do.
Well, my name's Tyler, barber, Instagram, Ty, period, the barber.
Nice.
Well, I'm Dylan. On Instagram's DSCuts72.
I'm James. Instagram's the Graveside Barber.
Very nice.
Chris, no Instagram.
All right, Pop Old School going live, cutting hair down here at Mountaineer Brand.